Key there! My name's Joanne Misson and I am the Class 1 teacher at Thornbury Primary School. Biological, earth sciences and STEM is a large part of our school curriculum, as is both Steiner and mainstream programs. So our school farm supports students learning all about living things and what they need to survive. Students are involved in propagation, care and harvesting of living things and everything related to these processes and cycles. Here's our food garden. I'm not sure if you can see that sign. This is our food forest, and we have a weaving garden as well to support the Indigenous language and culture program that we offer at TPS. It's one of very few programs that are offered in Australia and Victoria. So as you can see here, we all have all kinds of plants, and it's all primarily to support children's understanding of food sources, and in particular Indigenous bush tucker. So, Olive, what do you think will happen to the seeds from space compared to the seeds from Earth?
Well, the seeds from space will they will grow into a brown one, and then the seeds from Earth will grow like normal.
And why do you think that?
Because there's no oxygen in space.
I think that the seeds from space are gonna grow higher than Thornbury Primary School.
Than our school building?
Yep. Well, no, I mean as high.
What do you think will happen with the seeds from space?
I think that the Earth seeds will just go normally, and the space seeds might have, like 1 or 2 brown leaves.
They'll have some brown leaves, is that what you think?
Yeah.
Thanks, Luca. Griffin, what do you think will happen to the seeds in space compared to the seeds that have been on Earth?
I reckon the seeds from space might float around and they won't grow.
You don't think they'll